Alright, well, I just ran into an issue upgrading from Windows 8 to Windows 8.1. The problem is you can't go back to Windows 8 unless you install everything from fresh, and you really don't want to do that. It's a pain in the butt, it takes forever, and you got a lot of files to back up, and sometimes you miss a file. But anyway, the main issue is there's a glitch that hit me, and I'm sure it hit other people, that when you go from 8 to 8.1, it seems like half your programs stop working. Your web browser will work, anything having to do with the web browser will work, so if you have online email, all that will work. If you have offline email, or any other program that checks or uses the internet to any degree for updates or anything like that, will not function. It'll come up with error codes, and I wish I had those to show you right now, but I don't. I should have captured some, but I was too frantic trying to fix the problem. But anyway, there is an actual solution to this. What happens is your WinSocket got corrupt. Your WinSockets are bunk. They're trash. They're garbage, and only Windows knows how to use it for browsers and apps through the App Store and stuff like that. All that will still work. Of course, the Windows stuff works, right? But anyway, to get it to work for everything else, you got to get rid of it. You guys trash your WinSockets and have it rebuilt. Normally, a lot of people suggest rebuilding the computer from scratch. I found an easier solution. It only took a few minutes, and I'm going to go over that right now. Alright, I'm going to go through these steps pretty quick. You can pause the video. You can jot down notes. In the description below, I'm going to have a quick bulleted list, or a quick list that for you advanced users, you can just quickly jot down into a text file and do the steps, no problem. I'm going to do the video here just for those to, aren't so confident that they have a visual reference to go by. Alright, but anyway, first step is to open regedit. Right here, if you don't know how to open regedit, just go to your Windows start screen and type in regedit and hit enter. That'll bring up regedit, and from there, the very first thing you want to do is make a backup of your registry. Everything in here is extremely sensitive. If you don't know what you're doing, don't go wandering around in here. Just do exactly what I say to do and get out. You don't have to save a registry. All changes are saved on the fly, so you don't have to, there's no save button. But anyway, the first thing you want to do is export your registry. Name it whatever you want to name it, but name it something that you'll recognize what it is. And I just threw it on the desktop for now. After that, you can start browsing down into your registry, and we have to delete a set of keys in here. This is going to delete your old WinSocket table. Go down to your local machine, System, CurrentControlSet, Services. Services is going to be a very long list, but eventually you'll scroll down and you'll see Winsock and Winsock 2. Delete both of those folders. Yep, just delete Winsock and Winsock 2. Just gone. Now what you'll want to do at this point is actually restart the computer. Now you're watching this video, so I don't really suggest you restart your computer, but take notes for the rest, or load this video after, or you can't really load this video after this. Your internet's not going to work after you delete those WinSocket files. The rest of this video is going to explain how to set that back up so it does work again. So now you go into, once you restart your computer, which you're not going to do right now, but after, and you're taking notes, right? But anyway, open up your control panel. On the right hand side near the top, click on there's a category drop down and go to small icons. I just do this because it makes it easier for me to find things, and it's just the way I'm used to using the control panel. Anyway, go down to Network and Sharing Center. Click on that. And now on the right hand side, about a third of the way down, you'll see a Connections. I have it highlighted here in orange, and for me it says Ethernet. So I click on Ethernet, and it brings up the Ethernet status window. This is where you set up your network card and all that good stuff. Now what you'll want to do is click on Properties, highlighted here in the lower left. Now it doesn't matter what you have selected here. I know here I have Client from Microsoft Network selected. It doesn't matter because you're ignoring that for right now. And you'll want to click the Install button on the left. And you'll want to install a protocol, so highlight Protocol and then Add. And now here you don't want to select anything they have listed. You want to go down to Have Disk, and you'll want to type in C:\Windows/INF. Now if you do click on the actual Browse button, it brings up a window like this. And from here you'll want to type in 1394.inf. And that is in the Windows INF folder. You click Open, and that brings you back to your previous window, and you click OK. And it will bring up your Internet Protocol list, or Network Protocol list. You'll want to click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4, and click OK. You'll want to repeat the last couple steps and also click on version 6, so you have both of those installed. Once you click OK, close all your windows and restart the computer for a second time. After that, all your software should connect to the internet. Your email, if you have offline email or a standalone email application, that will work again. Your online gaming will work again. Your online voice over IP will work again. Skype will work again. All your internet programs will work again if they weren't working beforehand. It's an odd issue. It's weird that only browsers will work, but the sockets are goofed up, and that should fix it for you. Anyway, I hope this helps, or at least sets you on the right track for fixing your computer. Everyone take care.